Hello, hello guys. So let's finish our website, right? The last time, the last time we stopped here, right? So here, we want to add something here, as I said, padding, padding dash 5, good. And also padding dash, uh, padding dash 5, good. Padding dash 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 LG large dash 0, good. And also padding dash 5, good. Padding dash 5, playtime, padding, also padding dash, yes, padding before that, padding like padding dash LG dash 5, alright, dash 5, and also text, text we center, text SM small, right, medium small, medium is medium, dash start, good. What else here? And also here you want to also add a span here, right? To add a span here, click span here, class text, text warning, warning, right? And copy with developer to be inside. Copy this one here, here. Let's save it. Yes, guys, that's perfect, right? Let's make response. Yeah, here we are. This is our website looks like, right? We come here. Yes, good. So the second thing we need to do is, I think in this time we have done on showcase, right? And also we done navbar. Let's close showcase here. Good. So right now here is the time to also, it's a time to work on time to work on newsletter, right? Well, in here, in this case here, this area here, we want to include search, right? We want to include search here. So to do that here is, let's create showcase, no, newsletter, right? Newsletter, newsletter, good. Newsletter, start, and here, and good. So newsletter here, we need also section, right? Yeah, section dash bg background, bg dash primary, primary, primary dash text to be light, right? Text to be light in padding 5, right? Padding 5, type, and here we need container div container. Good. What else? And also need also to include inside container. Must include must include what? Must include another div also. Div display dash medium md medium dash flex dash flex dash flex dash justify content content dash between not between dash align items center. Right, center type. Good. In here also we need to include h3, right? H3 inside there. Inside h3 we need to add class, right? Class mb margin bottom b margin bottom dash 3, also margin bottom dash margin bottom dash margin bottom, right? Margin bottom dash o. Good. h3 could be sign up with sign up for our newsletter. Right, let's save it to see. Yeah, that sounds good. That's perfect, guys. Good. So right now here, after that we need to include also another div, right? There's space here, right? And here div could be input dash group, input dash group dash news input, right? Input here. Perfect. So right now here also, here we'll include input. Good. Input text class could be what? Class could be, yes, here class could be farm dash control. Good. Also here you have placeholder enter space enter email. Good. We need to include a button, right? Button could be search here, right? Inside the button here we'll add class btn dark, btn dark, btn btn l btn dash lg. Good. btn bottom, btn it's mean button, yes, btn. Perfect. So right now here means also include type, right? Type to be bottom. Perfect. So let's save. Control S, and here we go. Yeah. So guys, I think we did a lot of things. All right, we have finished a lot of things here. So let's see here. Looks like good response. Yeah. So I think this website right now it's very responsive, even also on a small device. Yeah, small device, right? Here we go. So that sounds good. So I think right now also right now here also in let's open our style here, CSS here, right? Inside CSS here we also want to make good. We want to make also media, right? We want to make media square here, right? ME here,
I can see her from afar. She just a shine like a morning light. I can see very clear. She just a shine in a broad daylight. And she was walking, and I was watching every step and the move she was making. She is adoring, I am admiring her hips and her curves. Beauty is a natural thing, original thing and a mysterious thing. Raise up my voice and sing. I thank the Lord for a beauty queen, 'cause your black is beautiful. Beauty from above. Baby, your black is beautiful. Baby, more beauty among your guys. And your black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. And your black is natural. Black is original.
We're gonna work on two boxes, right? One add box.
Whoa, yo.
Let's close.
Mama.
Also open.
She is black, she is proud and she knows it. She is cool and everybody likes it. She is bold and she's very, very humble. She is strong and can never fumble. She is courageous, a Sagittarius, the kind of woman I can take so serious. She's got the fire in her eyes that when you look at her, you will realize beauty is a natural thing, original thing and a mysterious thing. Raise up my voice and sing. I thank the Lord for a beauty queen, 'cause your black is beautiful. Baby, your black is beautiful. Baby, and your black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. And your black is natural. Black is original. Black is original. Beautiful. Mama, beauty in disguise. And your black is Africa. Your black is Jamaica.